Now, in previous videos, I showed you how to get x as a subject of the formula. Now, what you want to do is treat x like a seed, right? Treat the x as like a seed. So imagine you got an orange and you want to reach the seed. So what you do is obviously peel the orange first, eat the orange, and then get to the seed. Or let's say you got an orange and you got insects around it. So the first thing you do obviously is clear the insects, peel the orange skin, eat the orange, reach the seed, right? That's what I've been doing, trying to get to the seed. So to make an analogy with an orange, imagine that's the orange, all of that, and X is the seed. And it looks like there's a little 2, a squaring around the orange. So you need to clear that first, the squaring. Opposite of squaring is square root. What have you done on this side, do on the other side. So you got square root of y, square root of y. Right, square root will knock out squaring, they cancel out, you're left with x plus 5. But I still want to reach the seed, so I need to get rid of this now. Opposite of plus 5 is minus 5, do the same on the other side. You got root y, square root of y, take away 5. 5 take away 5, they cancel. You're just left with x. X is the subject of the formula. Right, there's a seed, and there's a square root surrounding the entire orange. You can just call it orange if you want. That's the orange peel if you like. To get rid of the square root, remember, you got to square. What have you done on this side? You've got to do on the other side. So you're left with y squared. Now that squaring will cancel out square root. So you're left with, right, deal with the fraction now. To get rid of the divide by 2, you need to times by 2. Do the same on the other side. So you're left with 2 times y squared. Divide by 2 is cancelled out by times by 2, you're left with x minus 5. Now to get to the seed, you need to get rid of minus 5. Opposite of minus 5, plus 5. Do the same on the other side. Now that's cube root. Opposite of cube root is cubing to the power of 3. Okay. What have you done on this side? Do on the other side. So that cubing will cancel out cube root. So you're left with x minus 9y. 5 cubed, you can just work this out in your head. 5 to the power of 3, 5 times 5 times 5, 125. Right, to get this x on its own, I can do this all in one go. Get rid of this minus 9y. So you do plus 9y. Do the same on the other side. You're left with right, if you've not understood, if you've had problems understanding some of this, what you can do is rewind, pause the video when necessary to give you a better chance of understanding what's going on.